Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to optimize designs for mobile viewing in GetStencil. Optimizing designs for mobile viewing in GetStencil is crucial, especially given that a large portion of users interact with content in their smartphone. First of all, choose the right dimension. Go to this option and you can select the dimensions from here. For Instagram posts, create a custom size of 1080 by 1080 pixels. And for stories, use 1080 by 1920 pixel. For Facebook posts, you can use 1200 by 630, and for Twitter, you can use 1024 into 512. You can also find these presets here. Mobile screens are typically taller than they are wide, so using a portrait orientation, which is a vertical layout, often works best for the most mobile application and social media platform. Make sure your text is large enough to be readable on smart screens. For mobile, avoid using fonts that are too small. The minimum font size for headings should be around 20 to 24 pixels, and for body text it should be 14 or 18 pixels. Keep the text minimal. On mobile device, less is often more. Aim for short, concise, meaning that is easy to read quickly. You can stick to simple fonts for better readability on mobile screen. Ensure your images are optimized for mobile device. You don't want them to be too large as they could slow down loading times. Keep the file size small but high quality by compressing your image before uploading to GetStencil. Once your design is ready, preview it on a mobile device. GetStencil doesn't have a dedicated mobile preview feature, but you can download your design and view it on your phone to see how it works. By following these steps, you can optimize a design for mobile viewing and ensure they look great across device, from phones to tablets. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.